Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a pair of Chanel sneakers from Kick. I've worked with them before in the past and I love their shoes. This is going to be like my third pair of shoes from them. They specialize in high quality reps, and they also have shoes such as Nikes, Jordans, and so much more on their website. So let's go ahead and get into what I got from them this time around. So like I said, I did get a pair of Chanel sneakers, and I did want kind of a more basic pair this time around. So I've ordered a pair of Chanel sneakers from them before. So it does come with a dust bag for your shoes. Comes with extra shoe strings as well. Just the little cards. It's hard to pick up because it's white, but it has those little cards. And then I just went with a very basic black pair because I used to have a very basic black pair of shoes that I love so much from Adidas, and I wore them to the ground, so I needed a new pair of just all black shoes for everyday wear. So these are really nice. I feel like these are going to be a perfect shoe. The quality is good, not flimsy or anything, and they look really good. Close up on the CC. It says Chanel here. The inside of the shoe says Chanel as well. I got these in a 38. So yeah, you only have the Chanel here. I love how it's a contrast of like suede and then forgot what material this is, like nylon or something, not too sure, but I love the two different materials. And then it just Chanel at the bottom and that little hard bottom. So super cute, guys. Cannot wait to wear these. And here's the other shoe. So yeah, really nice quality, and of course I will have the shoes linked down below for you guys, plus a discount code so you guys can head over there and shop and get yours. But yeah, Kick is so good if you are looking for high quality reps for your shoes that are like half of the price of what is sold in stores. So make sure you check them out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.